Hey guys, Big Elevator Dude 707 here. And what I got here is an Edwards Adaptahorn. This is a model 364, 12 volts AC, 60 cycles, and 3 amps. It's an Adaptahorn by Edwards, made in the 1950s or 60s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out. It's not too loud, but it's loud. Setting off at 16 volts AC because of the transformer that I'm using. So, I'm going to set it off in 3, 2, 1. Hang on. Hang on now. There you go. That was my Edwards Adaptahorn fire alarm horn. It's a vibrating horn, as you can see in the inside right there. I can't turn on the light though right now because I forgot to do that setting. That's a fail, but hey, it works. Well, I'll show you the back of it. There's the back. It's like when you see on those adapter valves and that kind of stuff. But this was removed from an old system, and also this was a Christmas gift for my dad. So I really appreciate it. Thanks, Dad. I also got some old Edwards. Hang on. Some old Edwards 270 SPOs. Pole stations. I have a couple of them now. A few of them. Here's one of them. The back of it. I don't know why there's tape on it though, but maybe it's loose. Probably from the 1960s or 50s. I got one that doesn't have a switch, which is okay. Use it up in display. Right here, see? See? No switch. Also have another one. So I got 4 in total now of the classic ones. However, I'm not going to be selling any right at the moment. But when I do, well, maybe that's unlikely to happen. I'll probably sell them worldwide. Here's the back. This is loose. Not screwed in properly. Well, it's better than nothing. This needs screws. This one's got screws already. So yeah. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.